Are you tired of struggling with weight loss and low energy? Discover the secret that thousands are using to transform their lives. Introducing NaganoTonic, a mystical Japanese elixir that awakens a dormant part of your metabolism. This powerful formula is unlike any other, targeting your metabolism to accelerate fat loss and boost energy. Imagine getting the body of your dreams effortlessly. Just mix 1 scoop of NaganoTonic in water every morning. Feel the invigorating waves of energy and vitality as you go about your day. NaganoTonic is packed with exotic nutrients designed to awaken your metabolism and flood your body with energy. Inside every scoop, you'll find the highest quality nutrients from pure sources. Camu, a superfood rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, ignites your metabolism and boosts energy. EGCG from green tea, known for its metabolism-boosting properties, enhances your vitality and well-being. Mangosteen, a nutrient-rich fruit, promotes weight loss and healthy digestion. Panax, used for millennia in East Asia, supports healthy gut bacteria and boosts metabolism. Mamordica charantia, praised for its metabolism-enhancing benefits, converts carbs to energy instead of fat. Ashwagandha, a powerful adaptogen, supports healthy stress-induced cravings and boosts metabolism. Acerola, rich in vitamin C, curbs cravings and boosts energy, giving you a youthful glow. Eleuthero root boosts endurance, supports cardiac function, and kickstarts metabolism. Alfalfa leaf supports healthy blood sugar levels and overall wellness. Cinnamon cassia supports weight loss by boosting metabolism and enhancing energy. Ginger enhances thermogenesis, burning calories to produce heat and maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Inulin promotes fullness, reduces calorie intake, and supports gut health. NaganoTonic also includes a proprietary blend of 8 super antioxidants like barley grass, spinach, and blueberry. Order 3 or 6 bottles and get incredible bonuses like the anti-aging blueprint, sleep the fat off, and energy-boosting smoothies. Claire from Dayton, Ohio, lost weight and curbed her cravings with NaganoTonic. Mike from Ann Arbor, Michigan, noticed immediate improvements in his weight loss efforts and energy levels. Hazel from Norfolk, Virginia, looked great for her high school reunion thanks to NaganoTonic. NaganoTonic's exclusive combination of nutrients sparks a potent synergistic effect. Experience a turbocharged metabolism, healthy fat loss, boundless energy, and feeling younger. Picture yourself beaming with confidence, effortlessly selecting stunning clothes off the rack. NaganoTonic can transform this dream into reality, firing up your fat-burning ability and overall health. We are so confident you'll enjoy life-changing results that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee for 180 days. Start taking NaganoTonic daily and experience a boost in energy, reduced cravings, and melting excess fat. Feel like the leanest, sharpest, most vibrant version of yourself with NaganoTonic. Transform your body into a natural fat melting furnace and boost your energy and vitality with NaganoTonic today.